give it all up, my cars and my money. I'll give you everything, no I don't regret nothing. Give you all my time, give you all my attention. Because when I'm alone, you're the only one that I'm missing. I know sometimes I can get real funny. You make me feel butterflies in my tummy. Hug me, touch me, make me feel something. You can even break my heart, it's better than nothing. You know I give it all up, my cars and my money. I'll give you everything, no I don't regret nothing. Give you all my time, give you all my attention. Because when I'm alone, you're the only one that I'm missing. I know sometimes I can get real funny. You make me feel butterflies in my tummy. Hug me, touch me, make me feel something. You can even break my heart, it's better than nothing.
Alhamdulillah, selepas sekian lama kita dapat settlekan juga pemasangan semula, repair track subframe tu kan. Waktu duk test untuk start tadi, Alhamdulillah sekali crank saja, fuel hose tak ada leaking, minyak engine, minyak gear tak ada leaking. Sekarang aku tengah duk bleeding coolant, nak bagi sistem radiator tu tak ada pocket udara kan. Siap bleeding coolant, kita akan bleeding bahagian brake pula. Siap bleeding brake, kita pasang tayar, pergi alignment dan pergi test drive. Adakah hasil kerja kita selama ni berbaloi kan, untuk menghilangkan gegaran semasa driving.
Kopi on tak ada gula.
Tak mau.
Putih. Dah kan? Kita dah lali. Nak 10 belum mencari pula, nak 10 ni apa?
Blade kata, blade tak pasang.
Blade tak pasang.
Lawa, rasak brother. Ni tak pasang.
Pasang white center.
Aduh.
Ya. Pergi dekat tu. Sebab Allah tu kawan tak boleh pakai apa. Tu angkat tu pasang dulu ah. Sekarang. Kau siap apa tak kau? Tak, kena minyak. Motor dia buang. Oh, dia buang sedih kan? Motor tu nyeri. Motor tu buang.
You're not sad again, are you, Splash Gang?
Yes. I can see it.
Oh yeah? You.
Thanks. The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
I just don't know what I'm supposed to be. You know? Tried being a writer, but I hate what I write. And I tried taking pictures, but so mediocre, you know, and every girl goes through a photography phase. You know, like horses. You know, take dumb pictures of your feet.
You'll figure that out. I'm not worried about you.
Alhamdulillah. Okay geng, akhirnya sekian lama settle juga masalah suspension Kancil ni dah kembali solid. Dan aku nak ambil kesempatan ni untuk berterima kasih lah kepada Brother Din MK Garage, Brother Wan G Garage, dan juga mak ayahku dan anda semua sebab tolong memberikan support fizikal dan juga mental kan untuk settlekan projek Kancil ni. Buat sementara waktu ni aku nak guna dulu Kancil ni seadanya, nak enjoy dia dulu. Dan next project mungkin kita akan buat konsep riser sikit lah. Mungkin tambah underglow LED ke, lepas tu sumbat TDO4, tengok dulu macam mana. Jadi takat tu saja. Sebarang komen, pertanyaan apa komen saja bawah tu, InsyaAllah aku ada saja. Jadi itu saja. Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera.